In our last video, we will discuss what is oxidation number, how we can calculate the oxidation number of various elements in the given compounds. It will follow some rule, just like for elemental or pure state, element have zero oxidation state. Monatomic ion carry charge is the oxidation state. Compound having metal and non-metal. Metal carry positive charge, non-metal carry negative charge. Compounds of both the non-metal, all the non-metals, less electronegative atom carry positive charge, more electronegative atom carry negative charge. Oxygen basically have 2 electrons. Oxygen basically have -2 oxidation state. But in case of peroxide, it have -1, superoxide -1/2. With fluorine, it have +1 and +2 oxidation state. Hydrogen, usually we can say hydrogen have +1 charge. But with metal, hydrogen also carry -1 charge. You will discuss this in chapter hydrogen also. We will done this chapter before the first term exam. Then fluorine always carry negative charge. In case of neutral molecule, sum of the oxidation number is 0, but in case of complex ion, sum of the oxidation number is equal to the charge given on the complex ion. Now we will discuss what is oxidation and reduction on the basis of oxidation number. Beta, oxidation is the process. Oxidation is the process of increase in oxidation number. In term of oxidation number, oxidation is the process in which oxidation number increase. In which oxidation number increase for one element. Suppose we have zinc. After the reaction, it have charge +2 by loss of 2 electrons. Loss of electron is oxidation, or in term of oxidation number, it have 0 oxidation number. After loss of electron, it have +2. That means oxidation number increase. If oxidation number increase, it is known as oxidation. Reduction, obviously decrease in oxidation number. Reduction is the process in which oxidation number decrease due to gain of electrons. Suppose before the reaction we have ferric ion, but after reaction it will change into ferrous ion. Its color is brown. Its color is light green. What happened? It will gain 1 electron. By gain of electron, reduction. By gain of electron, oxidation number will reduce, will decrease. That is known as reduction. It is all about the oxidation and reduction. In our chapter, beta, total we have 6 definition of oxidation and reduction. Oxidation, addition of oxygen, oxidation. Removal of hydrogen, oxidation. Addition of more electronegative atom. Oxidation. Removal of less electronegative atom. Better removal of electropositive atom. That is reduction. Loss of electron. Oxidation. This definition use number of time, and all the time we will use increasing oxidation number. These 6 definitions are included in your chapter about the oxidation. For reduction, same reaction, same definitions. Beta, for reduction, addition of oxygen, oxidation, and removal of oxygen. Removal of hydrogen, oxidation. Addition of hydrogen, reduction. Addition of more electronegative atom, oxidation. Removal of more electronegative atom. Addition of removal of electropositive atom, oxidation. Here addition of electropositive atom. Loss of electron, oxidation. Gain of electron, reduction. Beta, increase in oxidation number, oxidation. Here decrease in oxidation number. That means oxidation and reduction are reverse phenomena. They occur simultaneously in a reaction, otherwise they have reversed phenomena. Otherwise they have reversed, opposite phenomena. In one gain, another one loss. Like this, increase or decrease. Now, today we will discuss about the types of redox reaction. How many types of redox reactions are there? Beta, redox reactions are being categorized by two categories. First one, on the basis of mechanism. Redox reaction is of two types. One redox reaction is known as direct redox reaction, other one is indirect redox reaction on the basis of mechanism. Beta, redox reactions are two types. Direct redox reaction, indirect redox reaction. Direct redox reaction, that means oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in same beaker. If oxidation and reduction both are done in same beaker, that is known as direct redox reaction. Beta, you have this reaction. Suppose you have zinc dipped in copper sulfate solution. After reaction, blue color of copper sulfate solution will be discharged and we get white color solution of zinc sulfate and all the copper metal deposit at the base. Now you want to calculate oxidation number. To identify the oxidation and reduction, pure state, any element have oxidation number 0. Whole the sulfate ion carry -2, copper carry +2. Here also this will be -2, it will be +2. Change in oxidation number, zinc 0 to zinc +2. Beta, it is increase in oxidation number. That means it is oxidation. +2 copper to 0, decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number means reduction. That means reduction. Beta, if this reaction takes place in same beaker, it is direct redox reaction. If it will be oxidation occur in one beaker, reduction occur in another beaker, separate beakers are used for half reactions. This is known as indirect redox reaction. That is, beta, we have a beaker filled with copper sulfate solution. Color of copper sulfate solution is blue, sky blue or light blue. Copper sulfate solution, blue in color. We will dip zinc rod into it. Zinc rod dipped in the copper sulfate solution and reaction start. Remain undisturbed for whole night. For whole night it remain undisturbed. When in the morning we will come near the reaction, we will see color of blue solution start to be faint and zinc rod start to be decomposed and some amount of copper will be deposited at the base as reddish brown metal. That means reaction start, but that will be done in same beaker. Beta, this rod start to be decomposed. color start to be faint. In one day it is not white, 3-4 days it become white, and slightly amount of copper sulfate, reddish brown metal deposit. Same reaction will be done in two separate beakers. Suppose we have two beakers. One beaker is filled with zinc sulfate solution, white color zinc sulfate solution. Another is filled with blue color copper sulfate solution. In zinc sulfate we will dip zinc rod. In copper sulfate solution we will dip copper rod. Here zinc rod. These are connected with battery. Zinc is connected with positive end of the battery and copper is connected with negative end of the battery. To complete the circuit, to close the circuit, we will add salt breeze. Reaction will start and results are same. Zinc in one vessel, zinc show oxidation. Beta zinc show oxidation. That means it is oxidation half reaction. And all the copper in one beaker, copper will show reduction. ये reduction half reaction. That means if redox reaction takes place in one beaker, it is known as direct redox reaction. Oxidation reduction takes place in separate beaker. That is known as indirect redox reaction. Indirect redox reaction. Beta, this is the classification on the basis of mechanism of the reaction, how the reaction will takes place. Now, beta, redox reactions are another of 4 types on the basis of reaction, on the basis of types of reaction. Just like addition reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, like this. First one, combination redox reaction. Combination redox reaction. Combination redox reaction is the reaction in which oxidation number changes during the combination of 2 or more elements or compounds. For example, you have carbon combined with oxygen to give carbon dioxide or burn. Here oxidation number of carbon is 0 because of pure state. Oxygen also in pure state. Calculate the oxidation number. -2 multiplied by 2 -4. Whole is 0. So answer is +4. 0 to +2. Sorry, 0 to +4. Increase in oxidation number. That is known as oxidation. Beta, 0 to -2. Decrease in oxidation number. That is reduction. That means combination redox reaction is the reaction in which 2 or more element or compounds mix together or combine together by undergo change in oxidation state or oxidation number. Second, decomposition reaction. Decomposition redox reaction. Decomposition redox proportionation reaction, redox reaction are those reactions in which single reactant break down into two or more compounds by undergo change in oxidation number. By undergo change in oxidation number is known as decomposition redox reaction. That is, suppose you have potassium chlorate. On decomposition, it will give potassium chloride plus oxygen gas. Balance the reaction like this. Not be balanced, that is also okay. Oxidation number of potassium is +1, oxygen is -2. Calculate oxidation number of chlorine. +1 plus X plus 3 into -2. It is neutral compound, 0. Beta X will be +5. Potassium group 1 element always have +1 oxidation state. Oxygen in pure state is 0. Oxygen in pure state it is 0. Then what happened? Chlorine, beta it will be -1. +1 to +1 never be changed. +5 to -1 decrease in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number, reduction. -2 to 0 increase in oxidation number. Decrease in oxidation number, reduction. Increase in oxidation number, oxidation. That means single reactant is decomposed into two or more components by change in oxidation number. One show oxidation, other show reduction is known as decomposition redox reaction. Now displacement reaction. Displacement reaction you will be studying in your lower class, that is 10th class. But today types of redox reaction, that is displacement redox reaction. During the reaction, more reactive component replace less reactive component from its salt by changing oxidation number. One of the reaction you study here in direct indirect redox reaction, that is zinc plus copper sulfate. Beta zinc is more reactive than copper. So zinc replace the copper from its salt to give zinc sulfate plus copper ion. 0 to +2 oxidation. Beta +2 to 0 reduction. In the reactivity series, element present on above side are more reactive, lower side less reactive. More reactive substance, more reactive element displace less reactive element very easily by change the oxidation number. That is known as displacement redox reaction. Fourth one, that is the important one, disproportionation reaction. Fourth one is the disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction is only the type of redox reaction, so redox is not be mentioned, not necessarily to be mentioned. Disproportionation. Beta, these are those reaction only one element is oxidized as well as reduced, or you can say only one element have more than two oxidation states. Those reactions in which only one element, one species is oxidized as well as reduced, or you can say one element in the given reaction have more than two oxidation states. For example, decomposition of H2O2. Decomposition of H2O2. When H2O2 is strongly heated, it will give water and oxygen. Reaction may or may not be mentioned, that on you. What will happen now? Beta, it is balanced. Now it is balanced, it's okay. What will happen? Hydrogen with non-metal +1. Hydrogen with non-metal +1. Does not change. Oxidation numbers of oxygen in case of peroxide -1. In water it is -2. In pure state it is 0. Only oxygen is reduced and this oxygen is oxidized. This oxygen have more than 2 oxidation state. 1, 2, 3. Oxygen is the species which is oxidized, which is reduced. These type of reactions are known as disproportionation reaction. Thank you, beta.